this is Optum Ruchi Jaiswal. Today in this video we will going to discuss about Worth 4 dot test, and we will cover 1 introduction, 2 methods, 3 requirement, 4 procedure, 5 interpretation and 6 indication. Now let's start to the introduction. The Worth 4 dot chart is also known as the Worth 4 light test or the Worth 4 dot test or W4LT. It is a clinical test which is mainly used for assessing patients' degree of binocular vision and binocular single vision. This test is also used for determining the suppression, that which eye is suppressed, right eye or both eye. Suppression occurs during binocular single vision when the brain does not process the information received from the eyes. It is common adaptation to strabismus, amblyopia and anisoconia. The Worth 4 dot chart contains 4 dots, one red at the top, 2 green either sides, right and left side, and 1 white always at the bottom. Now, methods of Worth 4 dot test. There are 2 methods, one distance Worth dot test and 2 near Worth dot test. In distance Worth dot test, target fixed at 6 meter distance from patient, which is contained an illuminated box. Next, in near Worth dot test, target fixed at 33 centimeter from patient and which is consist in an illuminated flash or a torch light. Now, requirements for Worth 4 dot test. There are 4 requirements for this test: 1 patient and 2 trial frame, 3 red-green glasses and 4 illuminated box or a flashlight. Now, procedure of Worth 4 dot test. First, patient preparation. Tell the patient about this test to not squeeze eyes and look through both eyes. Now, test procedure. Ask the patient to wear trial frame and then place best refraction correction over the eyes and then place red-green glasses over the correction. Red glasses over the right eye and green glasses over the left eye. Now, interpretation of Worth 4 dot test. Before going to start interpretation of Worth 4 dot test, it is very important to ask, not to forget a series of questions to patients, because these series of questions are essential and very important. 1. How many lights are you seeing? 2. What color are they? 3. Where are they located? 4. Are all the lights in line or some higher than other? 5. Do all the lights show up at one time or some on and off? Now, interpretation of Worth 4 dot test. Interpretation number 1. Patient response is 4 dots or lights, 1 red at the top, 2 green right and left side and 1 mixed color like orange or golden at bottom. It indicates binocular single vision present. Then final result is binocular single vision. Now next, interpretation number 2. Patient response is only 3 green lights. If patient sees only 3 green lights, it indicates right eye suppressed. Final result is right eye suppression. Interpretation number 3. Patient response is only 2 red light. If patient sees only 2 red light, it means left eye suppression. Then final result is left eye suppressed. Now, interpretation number 4. Patient response is 2 red light and 3 green light alternatively. If patient sees 2 red light and 3 green light alternatively, it means right eye image and left eye image form in alternative manner. It means right eye and left eye alternate suppression. Final result is alternate suppression. Interpretation number 5. Patient response is 5 lights. 2 red light at the right side, 3 green light at the left side. If patient sees 2 red light right side and 3 green light left side, it means right eye image on right side and left eye image on left side. That means uncrossed images. Final result is uncrossed diplopia. Interpretation number 6. Patient response is 5 lights, 3 green lights right side and 2 red light left side. It means right eye image on left side and left eye image on right side. That means crossed images. Final result is crossed diplopia. Interpretation number 7. Patient response is 5 lights, 2 red at the top, 3 green at the bottom. There is one thing, always remember that higher image belongs to lower eye and lower image belongs to higher eye. Okay, again repeat it. Higher image belongs to lower eye and lower image belongs to higher eye. Okay, so final result is right hypotropia, vertical diplopia with right hypotropia or left hypertropia. Okay, now next interpretation number 8. Patient response is 5 lights, 3 green lights up and 2 red light down. Final result is vertical diplopia with left hypotropia or right hypertropia. Now next, indication of Rutherford dot test. Indication number 1. Manifest strabismus. This test is help to identify vertical and horizontal manifest strabismus, esotropia, exotropia, hypertropia, hypotropia. Indication number 2. Diplopia. This test helps in determining to identify the nature and type of diplopia, crossed diplopia or uncrossed diplopia. Next, indication number 3. Suppression. It helps to identify that which eye is suppressed. Thank you. I hope you like my video. Keep watching rjcsk.edu for more nursing and paramedical videos.